why do you think he was implicated? He is a low-lying fruit, an easy target, so to speak, an easy person to point to when lumalapit na yung investigation sa'yo, magtuturo ka na lang. We will not preempt what the court's assessment will be, but we are very confident in our position. I keep on repeating to you guys, from the time that this fiasco happened, to the time that he was charged, to the time that he surrendered, to the time that we started the bail hearing, and now, culmination, last day ng bail hearing. Ano ang sinasabi namin ever since? Walang ebidensya na makakapag-link kay Senator Coco. Nakita nyo naman, I don't know if it's your opinion, it's my opinion, we may differ. But as far as the defense is concerned, ito lang masasabi ko, yung principal witness against Senator Revilla nag-self-destruct. And, saan naman kayo nakakita? Walang ebidensya bukod sa sabi-sabi. Di ba? Walang message man lang, walang video, walang dokumento, walang anything. Di ba? At ano ang sinasabi niyang corroborating evidence niya? Walang iba kundi kung ano yung sinasabi ng kanyang mga alagad or mga alalay. Yung kanyang driver, yung kanyang personal aide na nag-testify mismo na kailangan sundan at huwag suwayin ang kanyang utos. Di ba?